Always take me schmag, because Bobby's always going to lie on it. Good day everybody, it's Grayzy, the Chief Instructor of No Limits Bushcraft and Survival, and I hope everyone's well today. So before we get going, first of all I would like to give a big shout out to our chef over in Canada. Thanks very much for the support you've been giving us, mate. Really appreciate it. Cousin over the pond. So, someone else who's been quite supportive of No Limits Bushcraft Survival is Cameron from the Urban Survical Guys. I've mentioned him on numerous occasions, I've tested some of his stuff out. However, what I didn't do was, I hadn't really tested sort of the survival belt that he made us. So what I've done is I've actually packed it with the stuff, and then I'm actually going to just, get a brew going, only using the stuff that I've actually packed inside here. So let's get to it. So 5 compartments that was put into this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 on the actual buckle part itself. So he created this for us just out of an idea that I had, and then he worked on it and then done a sterling job doing it. I'm not entirely sure if he's actually got these in production yet on his Etsy page, but hopefully he will, because I genuinely think these are really good. But I've packed out with stuff that I've thought would be quite useful, if I'm just by myself or if I'm doing like a minimal survival run. So first of all, in one pouch I've got quite a large tampon, with it being cotton wool. It's very fibrous and it picks a sparkle quite well. Another one, this is army issued storm mattress matches with a striker. Still in the plastic container, just purely because I want to try and keep them waterproof. So my combustion device. However, what I do have as well is secondary ones. I've got an actual storm mattress. I believe that one's from the Bath Bushcraft store. And I've got a small ferro toggle. And these are the same ones that we use when I make our ignition bracelet. And then I've also got some chlorine tabs as well for any water that I may need to collect. So to move on to the container side of it, I do have just an almost standard condom. Yeah, it can hold up to a litre of water. Yeah, so just unravel that and then fill that with water. And then what I also have is a cutting tool, but it's only a small one. Yeah, because if you haven't already, look and find out what the law is for knives around in the UK. Yeah, but that's for another video. Yeah, it's also got an incredibly robust buckle. And it's very strong, and I think these are absolutely brilliant. Because this is the same buckle I've actually got my webbing, and I genuinely just can't complain with this. It's standard belt size, and it's Velcro lined for the pouches. I think they're absolutely fantastic. So this is stuff that I've put in here, and this is what I've thought was is going to be quite useful. So I've got a cutting tool, I've got a container. I've got a combustion device and something for the combustion, and I've also got something to purify water with. Like I say, this is just a small thing. I'll be able to get some sort of shavings going with this one, but it's mainly just about what we've got and what we can use. Right, so I've got some kindling here, some pencil size there. I'm going to use my ferro rod right here. I've already started prepping it. I'm going to use it in conjunction with my knife as the striker, and if that fails, I've got my matches as well. But let's just get the tampon open, shall we? Right, so if you haven't actually opened one of these up before, okay, it's got a fine film over it. So we just have to cut that open and then just peel that off. Put that one side because it's still tinned out, and then unravel it. And then there's so much cotton wool in here. Okay, and then just fluff it all up. And then once you've fluffed that all up, you'll have a massive mound of fibrous tinder there. Now, I'm not going to treat this with you know, any Vaseline or any sort of petroleum-based products. I'm just going to let that burn on its own. Then what I'll do is I'll just build it up and make a big enough fire. So there you have it then. Managed to get myself a small little fire going with some of the items that I put in the Urban Survival Guys survival belt. Normally, if I'm wearing this, my knife will go on this, but however, because I'm sort of in a rural urban interface, I'm not going to be carrying that kind of knife around anyway. But it's a brilliant bit of kit. It's got exactly the amount of pouches that I need in it. I can store the things that I need in it. I've just shown you there. I've got a container, I've got a cutting tool, I've got a combustion device as well, and then anything else that I want to put in. I could put a small reel of snaring wire if that's the way I'm inclined. Store matches. Yeah. Imagination is your own limitation. Get yourself on Instagram, check Urban Survival Guys out. He's also got a YouTube channel as well, Urban Survival Guys. Check them out. Can't recommend them enough. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.